Lanka is a small town in Uttar Pradesh. It is located near the holy city of Varanasi. The town has a rich history and culture. Lanka is believed to be named after the mythical city of Lanka from the epic Ramayana. Lanka's history is intertwined with Varanasi. Varanasi, also known as Kashi, is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It is a major pilgrimage site for Hindus. Lanka's proximity to Varanasi has greatly influenced its cultural landscape. The town is dotted with ancient temples and shrines. These holy places attract pilgrims and visitors from all over India. The people of Lanka are known for their warm hospitality. They are deeply rooted in their traditions. The town offers a glimpse into the rural life of Uttar Pradesh. Life here moves at a slower pace. The air is filled with the sounds of temple bells and chanting. The Ganges River flows through Lanka, winding its way through the heart of the countryside, bringing life and sustenance to the land. It is a sacred river for Hindus, revered and worshipped as a goddess. The river is a symbol of purity and a source of spiritual renewal. The river holds immense religious and spiritual significance. Devotees gather on its banks to offer prayers, perform rituals, and seek blessings. People come from far and wide to bathe in its holy waters. They believe that a dip in the Ganges can cleanse them of their sins and purify their souls. They believe it washes away their sins and brings them closer to salvation. The act of bathing in the Ganges is a profound spiritual experience for many. The ghats, or steps leading down to the river, are always bustling with activity. These steps are not just pathways, but sacred spaces where life and spirituality converge. The Ganges is not just a river, but a lifeline for the people of Lanka. It provides water for drinking, cooking, and daily chores, sustaining the community in countless ways. It sustains life and agriculture in the region. The fertile plains along its banks are nourished by its waters, allowing farmers to grow crops and feed their families. The riverbank is a vibrant tapestry of life. From dawn till dusk, it is alive with the sounds and sights of people going about their daily lives. Farmers tend to their crops, ensuring that the land remains productive and bountiful. The river's water is essential for irrigation and the growth of their produce. Women wash clothes on the steps, using the river's water to clean and refresh their garments. This daily ritual is a communal activity bringing people together. Children play in the shallows, their laughter echoing across the water. The river is a playground, a place of joy and freedom for the young. The Ganges is particularly beautiful at sunrise and sunset. These times of day transform the river into a scene of breathtaking beauty. The sky explodes in a riot of colors, painting the horizon with hues of orange, pink, and gold. It is a sight that captivates the soul. The river reflects the hues of the sky, creating a mirror image that doubles the beauty of the scene. It is a moment of pure visual poetry. It creates a truly mesmerizing sight. The calm waters and the changing light create an atmosphere of serenity and wonder. The air is filled with a sense of peace and tranquility. It is a place where one can find solace and connect with nature. It is a moment of pure magic that stays with you long after you leave. The Ganges, with its beauty and spiritual significance, leaves an indelible mark on all who visit.
Lanka is an excellent base for exploring the surrounding areas. Just a short distance away lies the ancient city of Varanasi. Here you can witness the famous Ganga Aarti ceremony at dusk. The air fills with the scent of incense and the sounds of chanting. Priests perform elaborate rituals with fire. It is a truly unforgettable experience. Another nearby attraction is Ramnagar Fort. This majestic fort stands on the banks of the Ganges. It was built in the 18th century. The fort is a fine example of Mughal architecture. It houses a museum with a collection of vintage cars, royal costumes, and weapons. No trip to Lanka is complete without a visit to Sarnath. This is where Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon after attaining enlightenment. Sarnath is one of the most important Buddhist pilgrimage sites in the world. The Dhammik Stupa and the Ashoka Pillar are impressive structures that mark this sacred ground.
Section 4. Nature's Bounty, Flora and Fauna of Lanka. Lanka is blessed with natural beauty. The fertile plains surrounding the town are a sight to behold. The landscape transforms with the changing seasons. Lush green fields give way to golden hues during harvest time. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming mustard flowers in the spring. The Ganges River supports a diverse ecosystem. Numerous species of fish and aquatic life thrive in its waters. The riverbanks are home to a variety of birds. You can spot kingfishers, herons, and egrets. During the winter months, migratory birds flock to the region. They create a birdwatcher's paradise. The rural areas around Lanka are home to a variety of animals. You might spot monkeys playing in the trees. You might even catch a glimpse of a nilgai, a large Asian antelope, grazing in the fields. Nature lovers will find plenty to admire in the flora and fauna around Lanka.
Section 5. The rhythms of nature, climate, and ideal visiting times. Lanka experiences a typical North Indian climate. Summers from April to June are hot and dry. Temperatures can soar well above 40 degrees Celsius. The monsoon season from July to September brings much-needed relief from the heat. The rains transform the landscape. Everything turns lush and green. Winters from October to March are pleasant and cool. The days are sunny and mild, while the nights can be chilly. This is the best time to visit Lanka. The weather is ideal for exploring the town and its surroundings. The Ganges is also at its cleanest during this time. The months of October and November, just after the monsoon season, are particularly beautiful. The air is clear and fresh. The landscape is rejuvenated. It is also the time for many festivals and celebrations. This adds to the vibrancy of the region.
Section 6. A tapestry of traditions, festivals and cultural events. Lanka comes alive with colour and festivity during its many festivals. These celebrations are not just events, they are a way of life, deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of the region. The town has a rich cultural heritage, with its streets and buildings echoing stories from centuries past. Every corner of the town tells a tale of its glorious history and vibrant traditions. It celebrates both Hindu and Buddhist festivals with equal fervour, showcasing the harmonious coexistence of diverse religious beliefs. This unique blend of traditions is what makes the town's cultural landscape so fascinating. One of the most important festivals is Diwali, the Festival of Lights. This festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Houses are decorated with diyas, or oil lamps and lights. The entire town glows with a warm, inviting light, creating a mesmerizing sight. Fireworks light up the sky, adding to the festive atmosphere. The night is filled with the sound of laughter and the crackle of fireworks. People exchange sweets and gifts, strengthening bonds of love and friendship. This act of giving and receiving is a beautiful tradition that brings people closer together. Another major festival is Holi, the Festival of Colors. This vibrant festival marks the arrival of spring and is celebrated with great enthusiasm. People celebrate the arrival of spring by throwing colored powder and water at each other. The air is filled with a rainbow of colors, and everyone, regardless of age, joins in the fun. It is a joyous occasion filled with laughter and music. Traditional songs and dances add to the festive spirit, making it a truly unforgettable experience. The streets transform into a riot of colors, with people dancing and singing in celebration. The energy and excitement are palpable, creating an atmosphere of pure joy. The Kashi Vishwanath Festival, held in Varanasi, is a major draw for people from Lanka and the surrounding areas. This festival is a grand celebration of spirituality and devotion. This month-long festival celebrates Lord Shiva, one of the most important deities in Hinduism. Devotees engage in various rituals and ceremonies to honor the deity. Devotees from all over India flock to Varanasi to participate in the festivities. The town becomes a hub of spiritual activity, with pilgrims seeking blessings and offering prayers. Chhath Puja, a festival dedicated to the sun god, is another important celebration in Lanka. This festival is marked by rigorous rituals and a deep sense of devotion. Women observe a strict fast, abstaining from food and water for the well-being of their families. This act of self-sacrifice is a testament to their unwavering faith. They offer prayers to the rising and setting sun for the well-being of their families. The sight of women standing in the river, hands folded in prayer, is a powerful image of devotion. The ghats of the Ganges are lit with countless earthen lamps, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The flickering lights reflect on the water, adding to the magical ambience. It creates a magical atmosphere, one that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. These festivals and cultural events are a testament to the rich and diverse heritage of Lanka, bringing people together in celebration and joy.
Section 7. Lanka, a journey for the soul. Lanka is more than just a small town. It is a place where history, culture and nature converge to create a unique experience. It is a journey for the soul, a place where you can find peace and tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. It is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The serene countryside offers a perfect retreat for those seeking solace. You can immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Ganges River, where the gentle flow of water soothes the mind and soul. You can experience the warmth of the local people whose smiles and hospitality make you feel at home. You can witness the rich tapestry of Indian culture and traditions, celebrated through vibrant festivals and events. Whether you are seeking spiritual solace or simply a break from the ordinary, Lanka has something to offer everyone. Explore its ancient temples, where history whispers through the walls, Wander through its bustling markets, filled with colourful stalls and the aroma of local delicacies, or simply relax by the banks of the holy Ganges, where meditation and reflection come naturally. Let the town's charm captivate your senses and leave you with memories to cherish. The sunsets here paint the sky with hues of orange and pink, creating a mesmerizing backdrop. Lanka is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its beauty lies in its simplicity and the untouched nature that surrounds it. It is a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. It is a place where you can reconnect with yourself and the world around you. The natural beauty and serene environment provide the perfect setting for introspection and personal growth. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to this enchanting town. Whether you are an adventurer, a spiritual seeker, or someone looking for a peaceful getaway, Lanka has something for everyone. Discover the magic that awaits you in Lanka. Let this journey for the soul be a chapter in your life that you will always remember.